country. We were able to do this in Bangalore, we were able to do the event in Delhi and Pune, and now the second event in Mumbai. We would not have been able to do this event without the support of the media and without the support also of many people across the country who have helped us to do this event. The Pinkathon is an event that encourages women from all backgrounds to take care of their own health. We find that in our country today, unfortunately, women neglect themselves a lot. They pay a lot of attention to the health of their children, to their families, their husbands, maybe even the husbands' families, but they never pay attention to their own health. So this initiative wants to encourage more women to take up an active lifestyle, spend more time for themselves, understand the value of health and fitness, and spread that message to their families. We believe that healthy women will lead to healthy families, and healthy families to a healthy country. There is one cause that we talk about specifically in the Pinkathon, and we are really passionate about this cause. That cause is breast cancer awareness. We do a lot of awareness creating promotional campaigns in every city about what breast cancer means today in a country like India, how difficult it is in a situation where you know that almost 1 in 20 women are going to fall prey to this disease at some point in their life. So we want to do our bit. We are not experts in breast cancer or any kind of disease, but we have partners who give us their expertise and who are also passionate about the cause, and they talk about it and they help us to spread awareness through the Pinkathon. So I'd like to introduce our first guest today. He's the Director of Health Services of HCG, and because of HCG's support and the value that they see in this event, to take the Pinkathon to many cities. And we are really thankful to HCG to be a part of this. Maybe we've done our bit so far. We're trying to do whatever we can. And I think there are more and more people talking about this cause today across the country. I mean, it's become really something that people don't ignore anymore, we hope. So, of course, when we spoke about the Pinkathon, now I get calls probably every day from different cities. I just got a call while I was driving here from Nagpur saying that we want to do the Pinkathon in Nagpur. And how can we do this? And, you know, how can we raise the funds for it? And what is the procedure? And I said that, unfortunately, we can't do as many cities as we'd like to right now. Because, of course, we need support from sponsors. We need support from the local population. And we are focusing right now on the main Chennai, cities like that. But to go to, we even tried a smaller city this year, which was Pune, and we did get a great response. But the main thing is to get corporates also to support this, because it's not an event, there's no event that you can do without support from corporates, without sponsorships. So all I tell them is that if there is a dedicated group in that city, we will definitely come in, and we would love to do the Pinkathon there and spread awareness about breast cancer there. In fact, just thinking about the fact that we should go to smaller towns and smaller cities and activating groups in every city, because of course if Maximus were to do it, or I were to do it, or even HCG were to do it, or WCI, there is a certain limit to what we can do on our own. So we did another event as an experiment called Mega Pink, in fact just last Sunday, and I appealed across the country for ambassadors from their cities who would like to do an event to spread awareness about breast cancer. And we did that event on Sunday in 40 cities on the same day. So that was a great eye-opener for me to see that there is an interest. People want to do it. They think the cause is really important, and they just did it on their own. They just said under the banner of Mega Pink, they promoted what the Pinkathon stands for. So yes, we get inquiries every day. We'd like to go everywhere, and hopefully soon we will reach more and more people.